Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And as you all know, I am into like 7 days yoga challenge. So today I have planned for light yoga because today is my live class. So I want to keep it low because already I would be burning 400 to 500 calories in my live class. So, and also if you want to join my class, just ping me and let me know if you want to join. Okay, and let's get started with simple yoga routine that I am doing, or you can do it daily. Okay, because I have started this challenge because I am feeling stiffness in my body. So let's get started with simple yoga challenge. Okay, so what I am doing, starting with normal back bend, touching knees 10 times. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Followed by 10 rounds of chair pose. Arms straight. Sit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. So first I am doing some standing poses. We will move to mat. Okay. For standing poses, today I have planned for warrior poses. Okay. Very good. So for warrior pose, your left leg forward, right leg to the side like this. We will start with warrior one. Arms to your head like this. Extend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold for 2 seconds. 1 and 2. Good job. Changing the position. This like here, this like here. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Done. Relaxing our knees. Going to 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Followed by warrior 2. Warrior 2 again same position. Right leg, left leg. Okay. So how will we do it? We will stretch to a side. Bend down. Stretch. 1. Again. 2. Good. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Holding for 2 seconds. 1 and 2. Close this direction. So all these exercises are very good for thigh fat. Okay. Thigh, arms, chest, but basically thighs. Right leg, left leg, arms straight up, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold it. 1, 2. Good job. All done. Last standing pose, which is goddess pose. Just 10 rounds. Feet forward, arms up, hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Move to mat. We will do 10 rounds of Bhujangasana or Cobra pose. Hold. Directly moving into 1. Hold. 2. Hold. 3. It is very good post C-section. 4. Strengthen your back and belly. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Good job. Hold it for 2 seconds. 1 and 2. Good job. Lay down. 10 glutes bridge. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Last, cat and cow. Okay. For back strengthening, hold it, all fours. Stretch up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Let's get up. Arranging your wrist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 opposite. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So this was all for today. Tomorrow we will do something extra, and you can see even then this much I'm sweaty, all sweaty. So you can do this. You can do this video 2 times if you want to burn more calories. If you want to practice more, you can do it up to 2 times, 3 times, even 5 times to burn the maximum calories. Okay. Tomorrow we'll meet and we'll do something extra.